In this video, let me show you how to change withdrawal method on Bet365. You can make a withdrawal from the withdrawal section via bank and account menu. Where possible, all withdrawals are processed using the payment method that the funds were initially deposited from. It is advised that you ensure your registered payment method is the method that you wish to withdraw to. If it is bank account using wire transfer, you can process a wire transfer withdrawal online by selecting withdraw and entering the required bank details. For more information on the withdrawal methods available, you may refer to withdrawal section of the payment methods. You can also review and amend your payment details on the deposit page. If you have previously used a card on your account, then you can amend these details by going to the account menu, selecting bank, then manage cards. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell button to stay updated on our latest uploads. If you have any questions or video recommendation, leave them down below.